In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ElevenLabs. So I'm going to use this in my computer, but if you want to use it in your phone, the process is going to be the same. So right now, ElevenLabs is the most popular and the best place to generate your voices. And the most interesting part is it also has a free plan. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are just going to open any browser in your system, and then you're going to type into the search box for ElevenLabs and then hit enter. After that, you will probably able to see here ElevenLabs website on the top. So you're just going to click on that to open the website. And as you can see here, this is the interface of ElevenLabs website. And if you scroll down, you are able to see here that you can generate voices without signing up to 333 characters. And you can choose any of these voices from here, but these are not all of the voices. And once you sign in, you will be able to generate up to 10,000 characters from one account in 1 month. So to sign in, you can either click over here on the button saying get started free, or you can either scroll up back, and if you see at the upper right side of the screen, you can see here sign up. Just click on that. And once you are on the sign up page, you can also sign up through your email, or you can also sign up through your Google account. And first of all, you're going to agree the terms of service of ElevenLabs, and then you can either type in the email and then the password you want to set for your account, or you can simply click on sign up with Google. Then you can click on any of the Google accounts on your device, and then you will be signed into ElevenLabs website. First of all, if you see here that we have voices, we have voice settings, and then we can type in here the text, which we want to convert to speech. So as I told you, at starting, you have 10,000 characters. I have used almost 200 plus characters, and my remaining characters are 9,970. So to convert text to speech, first of all, you're going to scroll up back, and then you can just click on the speaker name. And after that, you will be able to see here a list of all the speakers of ElevenLabs. So you can choose any of these speakers over here. Right now, I'm going to go with Arnold. So if we talk about the voice settings, you can also change the stability and clarity of voice, but I will suggest you to go with the default voice settings as it is the best. And once you have done that, you can finally type in here the text which you want to convert to speech. Like I have written here a small text, and once you have done that, you can scroll down, and if you don't see the generate button over here, you can hide the current bar by clicking over here, and then you will be able to see here the button generate. So you're going to click on that.
Please make sure to subscribe to our channel.
As you can see here that our voice has been converted to speech, but how can we download it? So to bring that bar again, you're going to click on this arrow again, and you will be able to see here a small download button next to your voice. So you're going to click on that, and as you're able to see here that your download has been completed.